Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar and type in Google Chrome and click here to open it. Then search for DirectX download, and we need to click on the first link from the search results. Okay, now scroll down and select language and click on download. It will start downloading the setup file. Click on it and start the installation process of Microsoft DirectX. It will take some time to complete its process. Once done, go to search bar and type Google Chrome. Click here to open it. Again, type d3d compiler 43.dll download. Again, click on the first link from the search results. As per your system type, we need to download setup file. So click on download. Go to show in folder. Extract this file. We need to copy this file and go to C drive, open Windows folder, just scroll down and open System32 folder and paste that file here. Click on continue. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.